What's up? Today we're going to invert the mirrors on a 2001 Yamaha Vstar 1100 or XVS 1100 Vstar Classic. I've put 12-inch bars on it, rerouted the electrical and the throttle, clutch. I had to buy a longer hose for the brake, which is now faded, unfortunately. But yeah. So we are going, because the bars are so much higher and wider, I feel like when I'm riding I have to turn my head to check my mirrors, and I'm not crazy about that, so I think if I put them down below I'll just be able to glance down. So that's the goal. Here we go. These threads are destroyed. Let's see if I can fix them with the clamp. It's working. Put this other bolt on. I really wish I had a tap and die set right now. Alright, so I figured out that the side that was going into the mirror fits into the bracket, and the side that was going into the bracket fits into the mirror. So I've reversed this. Threads on real nice like, and I think it's gonna go maybe like that. Give it a try. You see yourself? Okay, we got a couple things in the way here. I think this bracket is gonna go right in here. This orientation. So I believe this guy needs to move toward the center of the bike. So I need Allen keys. It's a 5mm Allen key. I'll just take this right off for now. All right. So this is up here. All right, so there you go. That was inverting the mirrors on a Yamaha Vstar 1100, 2001. Yeah, I'm excited to get it out and ride. Right now it's early January. It's negative 3 degrees Celsius out here, so fingers are a little cold after holding on to the frozen wrenches. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out. See you next time. Right, Sammy? Right, Sammy? Right, sir? Sammy! All right.